First things first, pretend you can't see the mess. Pretend you can't see it. Let's get into the video. Today we have witch casket. My last one came whilst we were in Canada, so I didn't unbox it. This one's been here for like a week and I was like, I really need to get around to doing that because I love doing it. So witch casket is a monthly witchy subscription box. £29 a month. I pay for it myself. I wish it was PR, but it's not, so I don't have a discount code. But let's jump in. It's an unboxing. It's an alternative unboxing if you are witchy wayed inclined. I don't know how to say it. If you are inclined in the witchy way, which if you're not, that's absolutely fine. Do feel free to skip this video if it's not your thing. The world would be super boring if we all liked the same things. But I like witchy shit. My altar's over there. It makes me happy. So let's get in. May 2022 Magical Healing Witch Casket. That looks like Innocent Bones. That looks like it's been drawn by Innocent Bones. So it says, introducing May's Witch Casket. May's casket is all about the magical healing, and we hope the content will help you to manifest whatever healing you need and to move forward to happier and healthier times. Please remember to read through the pamphlet so you can familiarise yourself with this month's items. And then it just talks about how you can tag them on the social medias. Oh, I thought it was going to be a burpee. Oh, it turned into a yawn. So, got a little bag. What is this? What is that? I don't know what this is. Genuinely don't know what it is. Is there a little card? Ah. Emotional Healing Aura Spray. Ooh, so it's a spray kit. So everything you need to create a magical aura spray to aid emotional healing. Rose quartz, chips, lavender flowers, spray bottle, atomizer. That's lovely. We've got some witch's brew. It's rose. I'm not having that. In this witch's brew, I find natural healing for body and mind. I won't be drinking that because it's rose. We have got a wooden intention healing easel. Use this magical easel to aid as a setting intentions, particularly useful for using things such as distance healing spells. Place a picture of the person for whom you're casting on the easel to aid you with your magic work. That is so cute. So mote it be. Super cute. Oh, we have a little box. Woo. We've got some amethyst chips in there. And then it says, place inside and, oh no, is that one or that one? So place inside a note, items, herbs or amulets, which represent the kind of healing you desire. This can be a quick note saying, my heart is healed, or it could include rose petals, jasmine, a talisman of some kind. You can make this as simple or as elaborate as you wish. Add a master crystal charged with your intent to the centre of the box lid. This can be an amethyst for healing, or a clear quartz to amplify your intent, or a stone which represents a particular chakra. Then lay your amethyst chips in a symmetrical pattern on the grid on the front and use your intention, place them where feels right to you. Come back to your box from time to time to recharge it. Once you feel this no longer serves you, you can cleanse and reuse. So that is a crystal healing wooden box. That's really cute. I've got a tea strainer. Or is it a potion infuser? This is, oh, it's got a amethyst amulet on it. Use this infuser to steep your herbs and crystals to make potions, infusions and elixirs. Amethyst is a calming stone of peace and healing which can soothe the heart, body and mind. So you probably could put tea in there. Like put your tea leaves in it and then strain it into your teacup. We've got a pin. Oh, that's really pretty. That is just a lunar lavender enamel pin. Really lovely. The print was a magical art print. Just, it does look like the Innocent Bones kind of logo. That's what that reminded me of, but that's from Witch Casket apparently. We've got some incense, jasmine and rose. It doesn't smell too rosy, so I might give them a go. And then we've got a scroll, which I will probably rip. I'm trying to... What does the scroll... Oh, it's just ripped. It literally just always rips. So this is a simple healing spells. You've got distance healing, physical healing, emotional healing and spiritual healing, and it's got all the different instructions on there for you to do. And then I've got an amethyst healing crystal, which has got a sigil or a rune on it. Healing sigil. Such a pretty stone. Inscribed with our powerful healing sigil, the amethyst is an excellent physical and emotional healer, and the amethyst's calm, serene energy makes it a great meditation aid. Amethyst is also a natural tranquilizer. It relieves stress and strain, soothes anxiety and irritability, and calms anger, fear and grief. Crystals are a complementary therapy and should not be used instead of professional medical advice. Yeah, that was the box. Let me know what you think. I really liked it. It's lovely. I'll definitely do the healing spray aura kit, because I feel like I need to cleanse my house at the moment. It needs a bit of a cleanse and a clear out. That is what I'm currently doing, whilst making a lot of mess as well. So yeah, does anyone else do that? Like, you try and tidy a house, and before you finish tidying it, it's just like something in the house has just exploded, more mess everywhere. That's generally how I tidy. Like, what? Yeah, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you. Bye.